Babae na imbes gumanda ay nasira pa ang buong look matapos magpa-microblading ng kilay.
Panay reklamo ako, ma'am. Sabi ko, ma'am, nagkamali po kayo. Hindi po to tama. Kasi mababa yung kabila. Tapos sabi niya, ay, opo, ma'am, sorry. Nagkamali po ako.
At paanong ang kilay niya ay natuklap, namaga at nilait pa matapos magreklamo sa artist na gumawa nito sa kanya.
Dami niyang sinasabi, sobrang sakit eh. Mabaho daw yung bunganga ko, tapos mabaho daw yung...
Now, what if I tell you that this story is just one of the thousands na ganitong insidente na nangyayari sa mga taong nagtitiwala sa maling artist? And what does this mean para sa'yo kung naghahanap ka ng bagong career na in demand with high income skill at gusto mong maging isang totoong expert na makakapag-build ng sarili mong business? Lahat ng yan, I will explain to you by the end of this video. Yo, what's up? My name is Real Talk Darbs. Imagine this, you're looking at yourself in the mirror at namamaga at nagbabalat na ang mga kilay mo. And I'm sure you feel humiliated, not just by physical damage, but by the fact na na-scam ka, naloko ka, at pinabayaan ka. Tulad ng ginawa niya sa'yo.
Tama na!
Now, imagine kung ikaw yung artist na gumawa nito sa client mo. What would you do? Would you own up to the mistake or would you blame the client?
Tapos sabi niya, baka nakarma ka na.
But what if I tell you that there is this one person that is taking action about this issue and also she is now creating a new generation of artists para hindi na maulit ang ganitong klaseng botched eyebrows cases? But first, let me give you a brief context kung ano talaga ang nangyari. Around December 2023, si Richelle, a 30-year-old from Negros Oriental, nag-decide na magpa-microblading ng kilay niya. Kaya nag-avail siya ng microblading services for only 2,000 pesos. But you won't believe what happened next. Kasi yung ginawang kilay sa kanya, hindi pantay at biglang namaga. Nagkasugat-sugat at nagbalat. Nagreklamo naman daw si Richelle sa salon staff. Pero hindi raw siya binigyan ng refund at ininsulto pa siya.
Sabi niya, ipatawag mo na lang ako doon sa barangay, ma'am, kasi hindi talaga ako mag-refund sa'yo.
At sinabing,
Baka nakarma ka na. Mabaho daw yung bunganga ko. Dami niyang sinasabi, sobrang sakit eh.
now this story shows na malaking problema talaga ang mga artists na walang proper training or accountability. And honestly, in an industry where people trust you with their face, yung mga ganitong klaseng artistry should be taken seriously and treated as a medical profession. Luckily, there's this one person who is on a mission to fix this problem by empowering a new generation of legitimate artists. And it's exactly because of cases na tulad ng kay Richelle na dito niya na-realize that the lack of legitimate training was the root of the problem. And that's when she decided to shift her focus from just taking clients to teaching. Meet Angelica Orosio, owner of Amber Beauty Lounge and one of the pioneers in the permanent makeup industry dito sa Pilipinas. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, permanent makeup or PMU for short or SPMU for semi-permanent makeup is a type of cosmetic tattooing that adds semi-permanent pigment to your skin to enhance features like your eyebrows or eyeliner. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nabubura agad-agad tulad na lang ng pagmamahal niya sa'yo.
Aray ko!
Tulad na lang ng regular makeup. Nahanap niya ang passion niya for permanent makeup way back in 2017. Pero hindi naging madali ang journey niya nang sinubukan niyang gawing business ang passion niya. Sabi niya,
sobrang passion ko talaga yung PMU. Pero ang struggle ko ngayon is yung competition. Sobrang grabe ang competition sa industry.
napansin ni Ange na talamak ngayon sa PMU industry ang supposedly certified PMU artist na hindi naman talaga legit.
Ang daming lumalabas na nagsasabing PMU artist sila. Sobrang mura na kasi ng mga trainings and classes ngayon. Kadalasan, sa around 5,000 lang is makakakuha ka na ng full course. Pero kahit certified ka, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun ay legit na ang certificate mo. Kulang ka pa din sa experience.
Dito na nauso ang tinatawag niyang botched eyebrows or yung mga kilay na hindi pantay, mali ang hugis or nagka-infection dahil sa maling pagkakagawa.
Doon talaga yung struggle namin. Kami mga nag-aaral talaga at nagpa-certified from international trainings. Mahalaga to kasi hindi lang reputasyon namin ang nakasalalay dito. Nakasalalay din dito ang health and safety ng lahat ng mga clients namin.
But instead of giving up on the industry, Ange realized her true purpose was to teach and give knowledge to create better and more responsible PMU artists.
Ang gusto ko talaga is magkaroon tayo ng well-trained, experienced, at reliable PMU artists in the Philippines. And we are proud to say that we are legit certified. We recently achieved our TESDA certification for permanent makeup tattooing, machine hair stroke. And Amber Beauty Lounge now has the right to conduct the trainings under their program. Kaya naman, pwede na tayo mag-train ng future PMU artists. Para sa akin, it's not about building the money. It's about building the skill set and mindset. Ang pera, madali lang yan. Pero ang impact nun sa buhay ng tao, that is priceless.
Alam mo ba that the global permanent makeup market is now valued at $152.4 million or more than 8.6 billion pesos? At di lang yan, because it is also projected to grow more in the next coming years. At ang pinakamalaking market share dito ay ang eyebrow segment, fueled by popularity ng mga procedures tulad ng microblading. Just like story ni Richelle kanina, sobrang daming ganitong cases ang nangyari every single day. Kaya despite the industry's growth, sobrang hirap pa rin magtiwala ng mga tao sa mga ganitong klaseng procedures. And that is where Ange and her mission would come in. Her brand is the solution to the botched culture because she provides a real legitimate education. With Ange and her training, you're going to get deep knowledge and master level skills. Sa training niya kasi, sigurado ka na solid na ang foundation para ma-master mo talaga ang skill. Also, she has an international level curriculum. Ang curriculum na gamit ni Ange ay internationally registered at exclusively based pa sa New York. At nakasunod pa ito sa competency standard ng TESDA. Also, this is a solid foundation to start a career. Ange will not just teach you skill, tutulungan ka rin niyang mag-build ng legit na career. A lot of our students have already established their own successful PMU businesses. And the best part, you're going to be a part of a growing community of legit, certified artists na pwede kang bigyan ng support at mentorship every step of the way. Ange's vision is to see her students succeed and open their own shops. Dahil para sa kanya, true success is in helping others build their own legacy. And who knows, maybe ikaw na ang next top PMU artist here in the Philippines with a thriving business that gives you time, financial freedom, and supportive community of loyal clients. Real talk. At the end of the day, permanent makeup is not just about doing a job. It's about building a solid, legitimate career while making sure na inaalagaan mo ang customers mo. It's about making them feel that with the skill set that they gave you, you will somehow feel beautiful again. And sa industry na punong-puno ng mga fake experts, you can't afford na mag-gamble sa future mo, pati na rin sa mukha mo. Because when you learn from a true expert, hindi lang skill ang matututunan mo. You're also joining a mission to legitimize the entire industry, one beautiful set of eyebrows at a time. So, ready ka na bang maging isang legit PMU artist? And join Ange's mission. You can learn more about her training and her upcoming classes and see the success stories of her students on her official Facebook page by clicking the link below. Once again, this is Real Talk Darbs from House Creatives saying, win with us or watch us win.